Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Stone is a versatile material that can fit into almost any style of garden decor. We bring to your attention some simple, but at the same time very effective options for using stones in garden decor. Gabion bench. If you are looking for a simple but original solution for arranging a recreation area, pay attention to gabion structures. With the help of gabions, you can not only build a partition that separates the resting place from the rest of the site, but also make an original bench. The seat of such structures, as a rule, is made of wood. You can lacquer the wood to make it look natural and laconic, or paint the wood with appropriate paint. In this case, bright and saturated tones will help to set the necessary accents. Decorative pond with gabion bowl. Do you want to equip a decorative pond on your site that would require minimal maintenance but are afraid that a plastic pond will not look too presentable? Pay attention to the original solution with a round plastic pond installed in the gabion bowl. If you supplement the design with a seat, you will end up with not just an element of decor but a full-fledged place to relax. Stone pedestal. If, after arranging the site, you still have bricks or paving slabs, it is absolutely not necessary to hide them in the barn or workshop in the hope that they will someday come in handy. So, for example, from then, you can build a pedestal for a figurine, flower pot or bowl. The main thing is to choose such a figurine or container that would be stylistically combined with the pedestal. Otherwise, instead of the original decorative element, you will get a design that will cause your garden visitors not admiration, but bewilderment. Dumping from stone. The combination of stone and wood is a win-win classic. The main thing is to be able to choose the right materials for mulching. They must be combined according to 3 criteria: texture, color, and fraction. If you make a mistake in at least one of them, the composition will turn out to be faded and inexpressive. Alpine slides. Do not think that rock gardens are complex and time-consuming decorative elements. Competently composing a composition is not so difficult. It's much more difficult to fit it into the surrounding landscape. Alpine slides look most impressive in areas with difficult terrain. It is here that the decorative potential of these compositions is best revealed. If there are no natural elevation differences on your site, then it will be much more rational to equip not an alpine hill but a rockery. Rockery. Rockery differs from rock garden in that at the forefront of such compositions are not plants but stones. However, even if you manage to create a composition verified to the smallest detail in which there is nothing superfluous, this may not be enough. Just like rock gardens, rockeries are not so easy to fit into the general plan of the garden. Such a flower garden should fully comply with the style on the site. Otherwise, you run the risk of getting not an authentic composition but a bunch of stones overgrown with grass in the middle of a well-groomed lawn. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.